Today I'm showing you how I make my chocolate covered yogurt bites, a burst of fruity goodness in every bite. We'll start by cutting a few strawberries into small pieces. I like to give them an extra dice, you'll see why later. Once done, add them to a bowl, but why stop there? Let's add a symphony of flavors with raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and bananas, or you can just add your favorite fruit. I mix them up in a bowl, creating a colorful concoction that's as eye-catching as it is mouth-watering. Now it's time for the creamy star of the show, Greek yogurt. I opt for vanilla to add a touch of sweetness, but you can feel free to go with plain if that's more your style. Now let's mix it in with the fruits, creating a luscious blend that's both healthy and indulgent. Now I'm going to take them up a notch. I'm going to transfer this fruity yogurt into a piping bag, cutting a good sized tip, ready to fill these cute silicone molds. With each squeeze, I'm crafting perfect bite-sized pieces that are almost too pretty to eat. If you're interested in these molds, I'll post a link below in my description section, or for my other platforms, they'll be in my bio. If you don't want to use the molds, you can also use a melon scoop and just scoop them on some parchment paper. I like these small ones because they come with a cover. After you cover them, pop them in the freezer overnight for the ultimate flavor infusion, or if you're in a hurry, a minimum of 4 hours will do the trick. It's the next day and time to take our fruity yogurt bites to the next level with a luxurious coating of Ghirardelli chocolate. Today I'm using Ghirardelli chocolate and about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for that rich, decadent finish. 1 teaspoon per bag. Now to ensure a smooth and consistent melt, I rely on my trusty melting pot, keeping the chocolate at the perfect temperature for dipping. While microwaving is an option, the cold bites can cause the chocolate to harden quickly, leading to multiple remelts. For the easy way, I just find the melting pot is the way to go, especially if you're making a batch. Now, if you're only making about 6, then the microwave is fine. While the chocolate melts, I'll show you how to prep for storing. You'll need a freezer airtight container and then a few pieces of parchment paper. I like using parchment paper so they don't stick. You'll be laying a piece of parchment paper in between each layer of your chocolate bites. Once your chocolate is melted, grab your favorite dipping tool, whether it's tongs, forks, or spoons, and get ready to coat each chilled yogurt bite with that velvety chocolate goodness. Now it's important that when you lay them, put them on a silicone mat or on parchment paper. You never want to put them on a cutting board. They'll just break apart and get ruined. Also, be quick when you're letting the excess drip, otherwise with the coldness, they'll stick to your forks. To some, while the chocolate is wet, I'm adding a sprinkle of sea salt. Put them in the freezer to set for 5 to 10 minutes. Here I filled a piping bag with white wafers, microwave them until silky smooth, and drizzle this creamy goodness over a few of our treats. To take it up another notch, I'm dipping a few in chamoy for a sweet and tangy twist, followed by a sprinkle of Tajin for that extra kick. Now for those that didn't take a chocolate dip, a delicate chocolate drizzle will add a touch of elegance and sweetness. I have also left a few untouched by the chocolate, allowing their natural beauty and flavors to shine through. When that undeniable urge for something sweet hits, simply reach into your freezer and grab a few of these delightful yogurt bites. I recommend letting them slightly soften for a couple minutes before indulging, a brief interlude that enhances the creamy texture and flavors within. These frozen treasures can be stored for up to a month, providing a convenient and delicious snack option for any time of day. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.